What's up, girls? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So we're just gonna jump right into this look. So Juvia's Place dropped a new palette. This is the Olori 1 palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's just like a nice, pretty, like peach teal palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place eyeshadow primer. I bought this and I've only used it once. I bought it like, hold on, wait. Let me shake it up a little bit. I've only used this thing once. I think the reason why is because I'm not really crazy about the color. And it's a little more on the liquidy side. So Juvia's Place has just been dropping stuff within like the past week. They dropped this new palette at the beginning of this week. Was it on a Monday? Whatever day it was that they dropped this palette. And then yesterday they just released the Olori 2 and the Olori 1. I did order both of those palettes, and once they come, I will be doing a separate video on them. Okay, so the eyes have been primed, and now I'm going to just jump into this palette. So I'm going to take this like orangey mustardy shade first, and so I'm going to put that in my crease. You guys, I was so excited to like see this palette. I'm not even gonna lie, because after that I Love rubbish they gave us, I'm sorry, that's just what it is. Like I did not like that collection at all. I just didn't like the color story. I didn't like the color scheme. I just felt like, what is Juvia's Place? What is this? So yeah, I was happy to see this one. Even though there's nothing really spectacular about this. It's just, you know, peach and teal, or yeah, teal, turquoise. But still, at least I can work with these colors, you know? But anyway, so Juvia's Place dropped 2 new palettes yesterday, and I think it's the Olori 2, the one that's like all blue. That one, when I say I am so excited to like get my hands on that, like, oh my gosh. Oh, I can't wait to film with that one now. I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm gonna go into this matte teal shade. What I will say though, on camera, it doesn't look as vibrant, but it is slightly a little bit more vibrant in person. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this all in my crease. Oh, this is looking more like a Lucky Charm type of green than teal. Like, I'm not seeing, I thought it was gonna be a little bit more, just a little bit more blue in that green. I mean, I like it. It's just not what I was, it kind of matches my nails. Kind of matches my nails. I was expecting to just be a little bit more like teal. Like, isn't that what that kind of looks like in the pan? Like, y'all see that? That does not look like what's on my eye. This looks like straight up green. Like, there's not even a hint of blue in there. Okay, this looks really nice. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this pencil brush and I'm gonna go back into this green shade that I just put all over. And I'm just gonna like kind of semi-focus it, like pack it on in this area. Just a little bit. Oh, see, now y'all can see the teal. When it's like blended out, it don't look as teal. Okay. Oh, that looks nothing like it in the pan. Anyways, this is a pretty color though. And then I'm going to take that same brush that I was using to blend out that green to just blend out the edges of this palette. Did I say palette? Of this shadow. Oh yes, this looks so good. This looks so good. I like this a lot. Ooh. So this palette has 3 mattes and then 3 shimmers over here. I think for this look, I'm probably gonna go with this one up here, this shimmer. Let me just show you guys both of them. Ooh, these are, ooh, y'all, these are pretty. Like, this shade right here actually shocked me. Don't be deceived. In the pan, it looks like they're kind of similar. This definitely has like some purple in it. Look at this. Like, do y'all, sorry, wait, which finger is it? This one. This one right here is the shade right here. And if I move it, you can kind of see the purple in there, but it's almost kind of like it's a, let me get the right finger. It's almost kind of like it's a multi-chrome, duochrome. I definitely feel like it's shifting. I feel like for sure you can see 2 colors, but I see a little bit of purple in there. So I want to say it's a trio chrome, because I definitely see a teal, a blue, and a slight like purple. Ooh, that is pretty. Let me swatch them. See, now swatched, yeah, they still look different. Ooh, okay. Oh my, oh my. I think I'm still gonna go with my initial option of this green up here. See, that's the thing with Juvia's place, that they are guilty of this, and I almost love it. It's like they give you a bunch of palettes with a bunch of shades, and a lot of times it feels like they're just kind of giving you repeat stuff, and then it just sneaks up on you. It's like, no, it's not the same thing. Like, these are two completely different shades, you guys. Like, I mean, on camera, in the pan, it looks like they are like similar colors. No, they are actually different. But anyways, so let me get my where's that brush at? Yeah, so I'm gonna just take this shade right here, and I'm gonna put this all over. Now, this shade is a little hard to pick up on the brush. I feel like I'm really going hard, and like, I'm not, it's just a little tricky to pick up. So it's probably one of those shades that you probably pick up better with like your finger. And the only reason why I feel like this is an issue is because you just kind of have to keep going back into the palette to grab more product, which is like, ugh. But yeah, it is a little bit more hard pressed, so it's a little bit harder to pick up on the brush. But that is a really pretty color. Oh, y'all, this is really pretty. Oh, this is, I feel like a mermaid. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. I like this a lot. Oof. Child, my hot comb was about to fall. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that same pencil brush. I'm gonna go back into that teal shade, and I'm just gonna, like, you know, just slightly blend it. I don't really want the matte shadow to be too much. It's almost kind of like I'm trying to do like a teal smoky eye with the shimmer, but I don't want the shimmer all over. So this is like a great way, like a nice in between. And I like the fact that the colors are very close to one another. So it just looks like a nice, like, smoked out look, but it's not. And I think I might do an inner corner color, right? I think that'll be cute. Let's use one more shade. That way I would have used 4 of the 6 shades in this palette. So let me see how I kind of like it like this though. Let me just see. Okay, I want to take this shade right here, and let me see how, let's see how that looks on its own. If it don't look the way I want it to look, I will cover it up. Let me see. It's not bad, but I kind of want to cover it up. Abort. Let's abort that. It's a no. Oh, but I've already kind of messed it up. I would have to like go back over it and like, okay. It's making a new color now. I mean, it's not bad. Let me just go ahead and do this eye so that way they all look the same. But yeah, if I was to redo this, I definitely, actually, you know what? No, it don't look bad. I think I just put too much on that side, but I'm still gonna cover it up. Like, it doesn't look bad, but I think I just kind of like the way it looked prior. All right, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do now, as per usual, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to give you guys my final thought. I had to show off my nails. Y'all saw what I did there? I didn't have to do it like this, but you know, I just wanted y'all to see the nails, okay? I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts on this palette. And yeah, should I do swatches? Kind of know what it is. Anyways, I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts on this palette. All right, you guys, so this is a completed look, and I absolutely love the way that this look came out. I think it is gorgeous. It's just like a nice, really pretty, like, teal, greenish vibe, okay? So let us talk about this palette. This is what it looks like yet again. Very simple, straight to the point. Pretty much sticks to the theme of it being a teal peach palette for sure. This costs $15. It's 3 mattes, 3 shimmers in here, no pressed glitters for anybody who hates pressed glitters, none of that in here. And honestly, I really think this is a nice palette in comparison to what Juvia's Place has done all year long. I think this palette and the other 2 that they released yesterday by far are the most interesting that they've released this year. Like the I Love collection, completely did not like that at all. So I feel like they redeemed themselves with this palette and the other ones that are coming, and you know, once I get them I will be doing a video for you guys. Overall, I do like the palette. I will say though, the shimmers are pretty hard pressed, and I find that's kind of a theme with Juvia's place. Sometimes some of their shimmers are easier to pick up, but for the most part they pretty much hard press them into the pan, so it does take a little bit of work to get them onto the brush. Now if you do use your finger, it's a lot easier, but I feel like you just kind of lose a little bit of precision when you use the hand or your finger. But really that's that. The mattes performed beautifully. I feel like they went on pretty well. I like the way the mattes performed. I think the look is overall pretty, and I mean, I like the fact that I was able to achieve this from this. Like, I mean, I feel like this is a cute palette for sure. Would definitely recommend. Oof. Girl, my head is itching. But yeah, for sure, I would definitely recommend this palette. There are a lot of discount codes out there, and then it's the holiday, so a lot of these things will be going on sale at some point. So yeah, if you're, you know, if you're someone like me that collects Juvia's Place, which I know a lot of you guys are, yeah, this one's good. I can see myself grabbing this again. I will say, when they do their 6-pan palettes, they sometimes, not sometimes, they're pretty limiting, especially depending on how they pick the colors. So this is something that, would I grab again? Probably, but I would use it with something else for sure. But yeah, that is that really on this palette. I think it's gorgeous. And I really kind of stuck to the theme, okay? Like, I really wasn't trying to do my nails on purpose with this color, but like, I mean, the green kind of goes, you know, that, and then I got the orange. Like, I just got the whole peach green thing going on over here. But anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you plan on picking this palette up, or if you did pick this palette up, okay? And until next time, I'll talk to you weeks later. Bye!